Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a certain item. And what do I have in here, you say? Well folks, enough chit chat. Let's open it and see what's inside. Like, right now. Let's go! Alright, before we do the unboxing, here's what you're looking at is a collaboration with a site called watches.com. See the website right there. And what else? This is a Spinnaker xwatches.com haul commando. This is limited edition and only in existence. Hold on. And if you can see here, Spinnaker, this is a green dot. It says it right there in yellow letterings. Yellow letterings, that is. Limited edition. The thing of it is, these are not numbered. Some limited edition pieces are numbered. These particular ones aren't. That's what you're looking at with a package, warranty card, everything. You got loom shots, strap changing. Alrighty, so only here it says this collab piece is limited to only 50 pieces, and the price at this site is at $520. Yep, watches.com exclusive, y'all. So this is carrying the most unique, eye-catching watches online, and has been a long-time realtor of the brand name Spinnaker. They've teamed up with to create the first Spinnaker, a Hall Commander with a real machine stone dial featuring luminous hand and markers for apparelled visibility in all lights and conditions, all light conditions, and a marine grade stainless steel case for ultimate durability. This limited edition iteration highlights the iconic hull design with the very material of our Earth as the dial, complemented by brush 7-link stainless steel bracelet or a green rubber strap. The hull commander holds a robust Seiko NH35 automatic movement. And again, only limited to 50 pieces. So yeah, folks, this is indeed what you're looking at here. And anybody knows about Hall Commander? Let's take a little look. Well, I doubt if there's ever any mentioning. So again, this is a micro brand. That's what you're looking at, folks. And here is their website. And right now, Labor Day is coming around the corner and they're doing sales, but it looks like some of these are sold out. Whoa. If you want, you can just send them your email address and they'll notify you when they're back in stock. This is the Hall California chronograph versions. But let me see something about here. Oh, never mind. If anybody's interested in mega quartz, in which I'm not a big fan of mega quartz, really. They're just pain in the butts. That's what they are. Alrighty. Yeah, Labor Day for sale. Let me see, what is this one? That better not be mega quartz. I'm against mega quartz. Yep. Oh yeah, that's mega quartz. Japanese movement. So yeah. So yeah, for watches, they got all sorts of ones, including new rivals, any bands you like from steel, leather, titanium, and the collection pieces from the Cahill, Brandner, Bautrecure, and then there's the Hall the Hall ones. Hull, that is, y'all. I didn't even know this is one of them. Mega quartz, and oh, the shape here looks very decent, very, very good, unique. Ooh, some of these are sold out. And like I said, send your email address so they can notify you when these badasses are back in stock. Accessories, you got your bands and everything. So again, these are micro brands that you can buy them for any. These are micro brands. That's all I'm gonna have to tell you. So yeah, folks. Enough chit chat with this. If anybody's interested, leave you in the link in the description box down below. Or if there's any of these left. Again, these sell like hotcakes or pancakes at IHOP. So yeah, If anyone's interested, if anybody has the dough for that, go and get it. Pull the trigger. It's your choice. That's it. So yeah, enough chit chat, y'all. Let's go to the unboxing. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Alrighty, so here it is, and it's part of the Spinnaker line. Let me show it from a different angle perspective. Yes, here we go. The Spinnaker, and this is part of the limited edition. I'm gonna have to show it from a perspective angle. Here we go. La Lapidary collection, showing all these elements. Limited. And here's the MMDR. Registry watch at this side. Nothing much to go on. Just let me open it up. So let's, how you open this? Gently. I don't like to screw up the packaging. So here we go. Amazing packaging nonetheless. Nothing to lie about that. Here's the name. Okay, so it comes with a card. Well, it says it right here, limited certificate of authenticity. So mine would be about, I can't even tell this number, but it says this much out of 50. So it's only my number is maybe 23. 23 out of 50. Okay. And got instruction manuals. And stuff. Warranty card. And here's the watch itself. Comes with a tool and a rubber strap that goes with this. So yeah, this is how they come with it. It's part of the Spinnaker haul. Comes with a tool and a green strap. Limited edition. Limited. That's right, folks. Limited edition, folks. Here's the watch itself in a sort of like a rice bracelet of some sort. Very, very cool. Spinnaker right there, and here are the spring bars for the strap. So yeah, very, very sealed package. Let's take it off of this, and it comes with its own stand, with its own case that comes with it, with their end logo, Spinnaker logo of some sort. Oh, and it says limited edition. Well, I'm just gonna seal it, but I'm not gonna wear it. So the model of this is a SP-5114-44, SP-5114-44. That's the number, and here's the name of it. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I can do my best. And it does have the signature up here. This is the signature. Even though you can't tell, but it's right here. And same thing, limited edition. So yeah, only existence of 50. So I'm pretty sure these will be like hotcakes. And of course it has the Spinnaker logo, the N. Let me see if I can take this off. Hold on. All right, I just removed the plastic only for the fate. Let's see the back quickly. So yeah, Spinnaker Hall Automatic, limited edition. There it is in all its wisdom, folks. That's right. And here it is, straight out of the plastic. Let's see the ticker sound. Definitely is like a locker combination. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. And you know about this type. Pull it. You can adjust your hour, your minute, your second. Second is for the dates. Well, the first one will be for the date. The third, pull all the way out, you can adjust your hour, your minute. But the seconds, you're going to have to leave it alone. Just your hour and the seconds. That's all there is. So yeah, folks. This is indeed a very unique design, part of Spinnaker. You can get a lot of other ones. It's your choice if you want to get the automatic or mega quartz versions. So yeah, amazing. Very cool. And rad. Admire this design, folks. I'll give you a quick demonstration. Unscrew the crown. This one is specifically for the date. The second, this one when you pull all the way out, this is all there is. You can adjust your hour and seconds. Go straight to there. You hear that? You can adjust that. But it's your choice. But you have to shake it, of course. It hadn't been moved lately. So yeah, folks. One more review, and then we're going for the music. Alrighty, folks. Music time. Like now. Alrighty, folks. So we're going to be playing a song from 2023, and it's called Earth Track. The last word, Earth, you already know the name, and the last one is spelled T-R-A-X. With the hit song Proclean, if I said the name right. Well, it's the last words are, no, Proclean, if whatever you call it. So, enjoy, folks. That was Earth Trucks with Porcelain from 2023, folks. That's right. So if you like content like this or other content, please click the button on the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinions related to the content, comments down below. That's right. About the watch, about the year, what do you think of the music, or about the certain product that's related to the content of the video. So yeah. And before signing off, let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, and toy collectors, and all you collectors out there. And also, shouts to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you all. And I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a short time, whether it be the afternoon hours, the early evening hours, somewhere around there. So keep an eye on that, folks. I'm in the YouTube community daily, or maybe a few days. I'm just caught with life, folks. There's nothing I can do. So, y'all, this is Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all. And happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, folks. Anyways, y'all. Later.